Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and does the new AWE switch path exhaust for the X3M sound good? Let's find out. All right, y'all, hopefully you got a chance to watch my install video of the new switch path exhaust and mid-pipe from AWE for the X3M. The install isn't all that hard, but the question always is, what does it sound like? So I'm going to walk you through a quick comparison between what the OEM sounded like and now with the switch path, so that back exhaust, and the new non-resonated mid-pipe. And the difference is dramatic. Now you get to hear what the real difference is, and let's walk through the comparison. All right, y'all, as you can tell, the new exhaust makes a big difference, but it's never as good as in person, right? I'm really struck to the limitations of my environment and my camera, but I'll tell you, to the ear, the difference is dramatic, and I feel this really is what the X3M has been missing. It's such a fantastic car, fast, muscular, all the great options, a true M car, and yet has always sounded a little mild to me. Well, this upgrade makes a big difference, and I think it's definitely worth it. So thank you to AWE for making such a fantastic product and this brand new for the X3M. And I thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video.